we are actually at the Fabricators, Manufacturers, and Suppliers event. Hi, welcome back to the FMA Debrief. Today, I am here with Tracy Lelyk, Events Manager, and we are actually at the Fabricators, Manufacturers, and Suppliers event. It's been a great day. What are some of the highlights?
Yeah, it's been a great day. We've had more than 350 attendees today. We started off with a fabulous keynote speaker from the Chicago Federal Bank Reserve, David Opedal, and then we moved on to the show floor for a great day of connections, networking, buyers meeting suppliers. We also had 3 market forecast sessions relating to EV, defense, and aerospace. And then we ended the day with a great panel discussion.
Lots going on. So if you happen to miss this show, we do have some other ones coming up.
We do. In Canada, we have 3 shows coming up in British Columbia, Manitoba, and Saskatchewan. So if you want to check those out, you can go to metalworkingexpo.com. We would love to have you attend.
Great. Well, we'll see them there.